Okay, so we're going to start off with an electric guitar preset playing a pretty simple ARP, and we're going to absolutely destroy this with a frankly disgusting effects chain. Layer another guitar under this, just playing bass notes, and give it the same treatment as the other one. Now the drums are really where we set this beat apart. They're definitely not standard trap drums straight out of 2016. I'm kidding, you know what to do. Hi-hat and clap. Layer that clap with a snare. Of course, can't forget about the snare that's a little bit quieter than the other one, but is all over the drum pattern trying to squeeze any last bit of bounce out of the track. We've got the kick hitting just where you'd expect. Finally, copy and paste the bass notes from before and make them follow the kick's bounce, and chuck that in an 808. And here's what it should sound like.